The iPhone 17 Pro Max is already generating significant buzz due to major recent leaks. If you're an Apple enthusiast or simply in the market for a new iPhone, the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max could be the one to watch. Here, we'll dive into the details of what makes this model stand out from the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup, explore new leaks, and give you all the information you need to decide whether this could be your next smartphone. Ming-Chi Kuo, a trusted source for Apple news, recently shared some exciting details about the iPhone 17 Pro Max on the platform Twitter. According to Kuo, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will distinguish itself from the other models in the iPhone 17 lineup in several key ways. First and foremost, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be the only model in the lineup to feature 12 gigabytes of RAM. This is a significant upgrade, especially when compared to the rest of the iPhone 17 models, which are expected to stick with 8 gigabytes of RAM. The increased RAM will likely play a crucial role in the Pro Max's enhanced on-device AI capabilities, a feature that Apple is expected to highlight in its marketing. The extra memory and processing power will enable the iPhone 17 Pro Max to handle more demanding tasks, including advanced AI applications and high-end gaming. Kuo also revealed that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will have an upgraded cooling system, combining vapor chamber technology with graphite sheets. This advanced cooling solution is expected to help maintain performance levels during intensive tasks by effectively managing the device's temperature. While the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup will reportedly only feature graphite sheets, the vapor chamber edition in the Pro Max could be a game changer for users who require sustained performance. He further added that Pro Max currently accounts for nearly 40% of new model shipments, making the most significant contribution to Apple's revenue and profit among hardware products. The differentiation strategy of providing the best specifications beyond a larger display size than Pro for Pro Max is expected to continue. According to Kuo, these upgrades could make the iPhone 17 Pro Max the most advanced iPhone to date, potentially positioning it as a premium offering that could rival the long-rumored iPhone Ultra. Although there has been no confirmation that Apple will use the Ultra branding, the features suggest a device that stands head and shoulders above its peers. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is set to feature a 6.86-inch LTPO display, marking a significant upgrade with its large size and advanced technology. According to leaks from Ice Universe, this model will be powered by the A19 Pro chip and equipped with 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it the most powerful iPhone yet. The LTPO display will support a 120 Hz variable refresh rate, enhancing the smoothness of interactions and potentially enabling an always-on display feature. In a research note today for investment bank Haitong, obtained by McRumors, Jeff Pugh shared a chart indicating that the iPhone 17, the tentatively named iPhone 17 Slim, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max will each be equipped with a 24-megapixel front camera with 6 plastic lens elements. By comparison, all iPhone 15 models are equipped with a 12-megapixel front camera with 5 plastic lens elements. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo also claimed that at least one iPhone 17 model would be equipped with a 24-megapixel front camera with a 6-piece lens back in January. So this upgrade has now been rumored by multiple sources, making it more likely. Kuo said these changes will significantly improve the image quality. Furthermore, John Prosser, a popular tech YouTuber known for his Apple predictions, also has added his voice to the conversation. Prosser suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro Max could come equipped with a new and improved camera system. According to him, Apple is experimenting with a mechanical aperture, a feature allowing users to manually adjust the camera's aperture size. If you're eagerly awaiting the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you won't have to wait too long. Based on Apple's usual release schedule, the iPhone 17 lineup is expected to be announced around September 9, 2025, with pre-orders likely opening shortly after the announcement. As for the pricing, early rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro Max could start at around $1,200. This would represent a $100 increase over the iPhone 16 Pro Max. reflecting the significant upgrades and new features that the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to offer. But what do you think? Are these features enough to justify the likely price increase? Will the iPhone 17 Pro Max live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the official announcement.